everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kia, and today I'm going to be unboxing my screen printing kit and my speedball paint kit. Now I did buy these separately. I'll link them down below in the description box, but this is the speedball fabric paint and this is my actual kit to do the screen printing for my t-shirts. So let's get this opened up. I did see a lot of really great reviews for this speedball paint. Like they had super great reviews, that's why I got it. But I did see a couple of complaints that people's paint was spilling and that it was the paint was spilling and they said it was just bad packaging. So we're gonna open up mine today to see if I have that problem. Hopefully not. Right now the box looks good from what I can tell, but we're about to see. Alright, so these are my paints. I'll get it a little wider. There we go. So I have my green, my blue, white, yellow. Just feels like it's open. Like this top was not on good at all, but it looks like it's closed, so it doesn't matter. Red and black. The inside of my black paint, it looks so good and it's super pigmented, so I absolutely love that. But this is just like an unboxing. It's not the actual review. So I'm not going to open the rest of them because it's not something that I'm using right at this moment. So I'm just going to close it back up as tight as I can and store it for whenever I'm actually going to start my screen printing. Now this one is the actual kit. Here we go. So these are my screens. Turn it. It came with some masking tape. I guess like a scraper, kind of like one of the squeegees. So when you go like this, this is the small screen that it came with. This is the back. And then this is the front. So you put your design back here on the back. You take your screen, lay it down, do your paint. This is another form of a squeegee that you actually will take right here. Perfect size for this one. And then you go down. So that's awesome. This helps you get the paint out. This is for the, I think it's called like emulsion or something like that. I'm not doing anything like that, so I'm really not sure. Mine actually came with instructions, which is funny because most people said that theirs did not. And then I have my big screen, which of course, my big screen, of course, will be used for big shirts or for bigger projects. I don't think this is the biggest screen that you can get. I'm really not sure. Maybe it's the biggest for this kit that I have. But it's a lot of designs that will be able to go within this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions or if you want to see anything specific with my screen printing, this ink, anything with my joy, whatsoever that you guys want to see, definitely let me know in the comments below and I'll make that video for you guys. So thank you so much for watching once again, and y'all have a great day. Bye guys.